Okay, so this individual reached out and asked, do I ever get swollen salivary glands in my face from being so dry? I want to push this out as a community question because I think it's important that we understand these types of symptoms that happen not just for one person. I'm only one person. Let's get everybody in the community to drop a comment, share your experience. If you have suffered with swollen salivary glands inside your face, top of your mouth, underneath your tongue, please drop a comment and share your experience. So for myself personally, I haven't had like really swollen chipmunk cheek swollen salivary glands like many Sjogren's patients get. When it comes to inflammation inside of my mouth, my worst is like underneath my tongue, like that area gets like really, really swollen, and it gets really, really difficult for like any saliva to like come out of that area. I also get like minor swelling and sores on the inside of my mouth, but not like super swollen. It's really just like, I don't know, it's just like swollen, like canker sores, I guess, but like all over the inside of my mouth. But I met this one lady at one of my local support groups. Her name was Jody. She was so sweet. She was sharing a story about how she used to get these salivary stones inside of her mouth, and that her cheeks would be like swollen like chipmunks with all of these stones. And she would go to her family doctor, and her doctor would get her to like eat a lemon or a lime to like start getting the juices flowing, and then they would like sit there and like massage the stones out. And I remember it just, I remember this conversation distinctly because she said it was like we were milking the tit of a cow, but with my face. And I was like, my mouth dropped, and I was like, I don't know how to even process that. But it's kind of funny when I think about it now. So if you're dealing with like really swollen glands or salivary stones, milking your face or otherwise massaging your face to try and get those stones broken up and get those juices flowing, is what I highly recommend. Anyways, if anybody else, sorry, I got off track. If anybody else has comments on this topic, can you please drop it in the comments?